The Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide RR is a groundbreaking, limited production motorcycle designed to bridge the gap between street cruising and track-ready performance. Inspired by the company's dominance in the King of the Baggers racing series, this model is a high-performance bagger built for both speed and handling. With only 131 units available worldwide, each carrying an eye-watering price tag of $110,000, the CVO Road Glide RR is an ultra-exclusive machine reserved for serious enthusiasts and collectors. At the core of the CVO Road Glide RR lies the Screamin Eagle 131 engine, a monstrous 2,153cc Milwaukee-Eight V-twin. This powerplant delivers an exhilarating 153 horsepower at 5,750 revolutions per minute and a jaw-dropping 150 pound-feet of torque at 4,750 revolutions per minute. The engine uses pushrod-operated overhead valves with hydraulic, self-adjusting lifters and 4 valves per cylinder, ensuring peak efficiency and performance across a wide rev range. The 11.01 compression ratio allows for explosive power delivery, while an updated camshaft and high-flow intake system optimize airflow for improved throttle response. Harley-Davidson has also refined the race-inspired exhaust system, tuning it for maximum performance while maintaining a signature deep, throaty rumble. The CVO Road Glide RR features a highly refined mild steel tubular frame with a 2-piece stamped and welded backbone for superior rigidity and handling. Unlike traditional Road Glide models, this limited edition features a 1-piece billet aluminum performance swingarm derived from Harley-Davidson's factory racing program, ensuring sharper handling and better stability at high speeds. The suspension system is another standout component of this machine. Up front, it sports Screamin Eagle by Öhlins FGR 253 inverted forks, which are fully adjustable for preload, compression, and rebound damping, offering 5.1 inches of travel. At the rear, Screamin Eagle by Öhlins 14-inch remote reservoir shocks deliver 3.5 inches of travel, also fully adjustable. These premium components provide unmatched ride quality, allowing riders to push the bike harder through corners with confidence. Given the extreme performance of the CVO Road Glide RR, braking is handled by top-tier Brembo components. The front setup features dual radially mounted 4-piston Brembo GP4RX CNC calipers gripping massive 320mm T-drive discs, while the rear employs a single axially mounted 4-piston Brembo caliper with a 300mm disc. This race-spec braking system provides exceptional stopping power and heat resistance, ensuring consistent performance under aggressive riding conditions. The motorcycle rolls on black, 7-spoke cast aluminum wheels, sized 19 inches at the front and 18 inches at the rear. These are wrapped in Dunlop Harley-Davidson Series bias Blackwall tires, providing superior grip and durability for high-speed performance. To complement its raw power and aggressive stance, the CVO Road Glide RR is packed with advanced electronic rider aids. These include cornering electronically linked brakes ensures optimal braking force distribution between the front and rear wheels. Cornering ABS prevents wheel lockup during aggressive braking in corners. Cornering traction control system provides multiple levels of intervention to maintain grip in varying conditions. Cornering drag torque slip control helps manage engine braking forces to prevent rear wheel skidding. Vehicle hold control keeps the bike stable on inclines when stopped. Tire pressure monitoring system alerts the rider in real time about tire pressure changes for safety and performance. This comprehensive suite of electronic aids enhances the bike's safety and stability, allowing riders to push their limits without compromising control. Unlike traditional baggers, the CVO Road Glide RR adopts a race-inspired ergonomic setup. The mid-mount foot controls replace traditional floorboards, allowing for increased lean angles and improved cornering clearance. The solo race-style seat positions the rider forward for enhanced control, featuring a raised rear bolster to support aggressive acceleration and braking maneuvers. One unique element carried over from racing is the padded pommel on the rear of the fuel tank. This feature allows the rider to brace their inner thigh under hard braking and support their body during aggressive cornering, similar to what professional racers do on the track. Despite its performance-focused design, Harley-Davidson hasn't sacrificed practicality entirely. The lockable hard-shell saddlebags provide 2.42 cubic feet, 68.5 liters, of storage, allowing for some touring capability alongside its race-bred DNA. The CVO Road Glide RR comes equipped with a 12.3-inch full-color TFT display, running Harley-Davidson's Skyline OS. This system provides embedded navigation with real-time traffic updates, weather forecasts via Wi-Fi hotspot connectivity, customizable ride modes and system settings. While most race-oriented motorcycles strip away electronics to save weight, Harley-Davidson has found a balance by integrating a high-tech interface that enhances the riding experience without detracting from performance. The Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide RR is a remarkable engineering achievement that blends the spirit of bagger racing with real-world street usability. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a statement, a high-performance machine that commands respect and attention. With its 153 horsepower Screamin Eagle 131 engine, race-spec chassis, premium Öhlins suspension, Brembo brakes, and advanced electronic rider aids, the CVO Road Glide RR is the ultimate expression of performance bagger design. However, its ultra-limited production of just 131 units makes it an instant collector's item, ensuring its place as one of the most exclusive and desirable Harley-Davidsons ever made. For riders who demand race-proven performance, aggressive styling, and cutting-edge technology, the CVO Road Glide RR is in a league of its own. It's a Harley like no other, designed for those who refuse to compromise.